Hello, Maurieo. Maurieo reviews the YWCA project, day 3. Okay, today we went out, having done or completed our control survey. We went out and we checked a few little items that came up in the control survey, and then we did the topographical work, did some shots onto all of the various features and put them together so that we can take them back and load them into 12D and produce a 12D model. So we collected as much information as we could from the two setups that we did, and this should form the bulk of the information. We're going to now take that information and process it and load it into the 12D modeling software, and from that we'll be able to produce plans and designs and a model on which we can base our work. So yeah, I'm going to just have a quick look now at the field notes that we collected. So they'll be here. And here are the field notes. There's about 6 pages of field notes. A fairly simple process, really, of just taking shots to the survey pole, recording the bearing distance, difference in height, and the height of the pole. We've done this by hand and booking the field notes. Typically these days this is done with robotic total station, and the data is collected in much the same way as the GPS, although this sort of information is collected. Yeah, this is sufficient. So yeah, we're going to load this into the 12D software. So where to from here? What I'm going to do is, after I've finished here, show a couple of clips, and that'll just from today. So I'll just wind up here and say cheers, see you, and enjoy the clips. Day 3, YWCA project. Blaze sets up the backsite on peg TT. Is there? Oh, awesome. Okay, Mark setting up the total station over peg BM, I think, was it? No. What was the name of that peg? Peg AB. Alright, here we go, getting ready to do some topo shots. So in here we have the edge of the grass coming through to a bit of an embankment, sort of made out of, I don't know, it might be plastered cement or something like that. So it rises up about 300 or 400, and then that transitions into a sort of a wall made out of a standing wall. It's almost vertical wall. The edge of the grass comes around and transitions into the fire escape there, and then we have a paved area and through there, and the wall continues on into these little alcoves. Looks like the wall's getting somewhat bigger in here, or higher, in that little space there, and then coming around past the clotheslines up against the building like so, with various gully traps and things in here, an alcove area in between the buildings like so. Just transition around, keep moving forward past the washing lines, the gully traps in there against the buildings and little outcrops. And through here we have the wall going back to a garden, and then up into the wooden fence that's in front of the curb and channel from the other road there. So just looking through here, we can get a bit of an appreciation of how it goes, with some services in there and amongst the washing. Back through here with the building, which is quite a high, possibly 3-story building. Come through to this end here. The wall comes to a bit of an end, and then we have some steps leading up to a higher area there, again against the building. And we can see our backside there in the background. The steps have been made out of stone and rock, and they transition up to a higher level. Climb up the stairs like so, and then we get into an area with some toi again. It looks like just a bank area, an embankment area, up again towards the curb and channel, and through to the outer area by Peg TT, with the transformer in behind that. Okay, and just turn around and have a look back down at the lower area from the top there. Light, a bit of an issue there, and there we can see the extent of the problem. We should also note in here we've got a pole with some sort of, can't determine what's on the pole, some sort of electronic gadgetry by the look of it. Okay.